He's had such a longer haul.
Paul Bourne waiting for the release of his wife, Evelyn. The couple kept apart for 2 months now since they both contracted COVID-19. Paul was the first to go home after they'd been on ventilators for weeks.
We celebrated our 51st anniversary here in the ICU, which she doesn't remember, but that's okay.
Now, a moment they'll never forget. Evelyn finally out of the woods, safely returning to the embrace of her family.
Oh, to give her a hug for the first time in 8 weeks.
It was a tough road. Evelyn required a tracheotomy and feeding tube. Her family had to prepare for the worst. The 71 and 72-year-olds fall squarely in a high-risk category, so their recovery is a moment of joy for everyone.
And watching the progress from the time she arrived here to now, it's like night and day.
Now, as they re-enter the world, Paul is disappointed to see people who still don't seem to take it seriously.
We stopped at Target's, and I was kind of appalled at how many people did not have masks on.
Hoping the public will consider the danger for those around them.
Yeah, I almost wanted to get out of the car and say, hey, I just spent 7 weeks in the hospital getting over it. It's not a joke, people. But, you know, I just feel bad about that.
Cassandra Sweetman, Oklahoma's News 4.